are we doing?
We're in
Do you have
Palmetto.
any idea what we're doing?
We're in Palmetto, Florida,
And?
at the Ag Museum,
And?
it's a county-run museum, and today it has a model train event that I'm looking forward to seeing. Let's go.
Okay.
There's about 160 families throughout the state.
60 families in the state. Where do you meet at?
At each other's homes.
Wow.
There are 3 geographic areas. The Central Division, which is Orlando and East. The Tampa Bay Division, which has members as far north as Yankeetown and as far south as Port Charlotte. And then there's the and that group down there is actually known as the Southwest Division, and that's where Bob Antillo with his portable layout comes from, the Southwest Division.
What's the name of the group?
Florida Garden Railway Society. If you want to learn more about it and see some of the other activities, you can go to the website, fgrs.org.
He said, "Well, we meet at each other's houses."
We'll be at the Florida Fairgrounds this coming weekend. The Great Train Expo show. Trains of all scales will be there. And the Florida Garden Railway Society has a display at that particular.
What scale is this?
This is called G-scale. It encompasses a range of 129 through 120. The vast majority.
Everything is glued down, so that we don't. We just pick this board up and there we go.
Oh, he was spectating on this board.
That's a beauty.
Thomas.
It goes up, 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 and down, down, down.